Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to a Windows PC. First, make sure your headphones are fully charged and powered on. Next, put your headphones into pairing mode. This usually involves holding the power button for about 7 seconds until an indicator light blinks. Finally, confirm that Bluetooth is turned on within your Windows computer settings so it can discover new devices. Now, let's pair your headphones with your computer. On your Windows PC, open the Bluetooth and other devices settings. You can find this by searching Bluetooth in the Start menu. Click on Add Device, then select Bluetooth from the options presented. Your computer will begin searching for nearby devices. Once your Sony headphones appear in the list, click on them to initiate the connection process. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, try restarting both your Sony headphones and your Windows computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, remove any previous pairings of your headphones from your PC's Bluetooth settings and attempt to connect again. Lastly, ensure your computer's Bluetooth drivers are up to date for the best connection stability. Once connected, let's optimize your audio experience. Go to your sound settings and ensure your Sony headphones are selected as the default output device. You can also explore audio enhancements like bass boost or spatial sound for a richer experience. For advanced customization, consider downloading the Sony Headphones Connect application on your smartphone, which offers an equalizer and other personalized settings for your headphones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.